Welcome to WordPress. Embed any document such as PDF, Word document, PowerPoint document, or Excel document easily in your WordPress website. I mostly embed PDF files in WordPress website, but a client recently asked me to provide him a way to embed any document in WordPress easily. Now I am a developer. I can easily embed documents by using a little bit of code, but the client is not a developer. He does not know anything about code. He's a teacher, so he wanted to upload PowerPoint presentations, Excel files, Word documents on his website. So if your requirement is similar, this tutorial can help you. Go to plugins, add a new, search for embed any document. Embed any document, embed PDF, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel files. Install and activate. Let's see, settings, default size 100% by 100%. You can adjust the size of the document, embedded document. You can choose to show download link, and even for all users or for just logged in users. You can change download text as well. All right. Now go to any page or post. I will update this page. And here now we see a new button, add document. I have some documents that we can try to embed. Select files. I've got PDF, PPTX, DocX, Excel, SX. Let's upload all of these documents. And here we have Excel SX document. Let's select this. Let's choose Google Docs viewer for this, to view this, to embed this. Insert, update, and here is our page. Let's reload it. And it says no preview available. Let's insert it again, now by using Microsoft Office Online. Insert. Let's remove the first embed, update, reload, and now we see this Excel file. All right. Let's insert Word document. Google Docs viewer, insert, update, reload the page, and docx will also need Microsoft Office Online. Insert, update, reload, and here is the Word document. Let's insert another document. So we have embedded Excel, SX, and docx by using Microsoft Office. Now let's see PPTX. Google Docs viewer, update, and this time Google Docs viewer is working. And we can also pop out this presentation. All right. PDF. Let's choose browser based. Insert, update, reload, And here's our PDF document. Let's embed all at the same time. Reload. And here's our PDF document. This is Word document. This is Excel document. And PPTX could not be loaded. PPTX, Google. PPTX. Let's choose Microsoft Office Online instead of Google Docs Viewer. Update. Reload. And now it is working. PDF, presentation, Word, Excel. So from these, choose whichever works for you, Microsoft Office Online or Google Docs Viewer. One thing to note that this plugin may not work on localhost. Very useful plugin, and it saves a lot of time. So as you can see, we are able to view PDF, Word document, Excel documents, and presentation file in WordPress easily. We can add a download link below our embed as well. This plugin integrates Google Docs Viewer and Microsoft Office Online to display your documents on your website. It works perfectly with Gutenberg as well as the Classic editor. Try this plugin to display documents in WordPress websites. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.